Welcome back. I am Olivia, Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video, I am so excited to share with you guys some DIY, Dollar Tree, and budget-friendly summer decor crafts. So I love to share with y'all how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe you do not have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook. I'm also hosting a Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway where I'll have 4 winners. So definitely subscribe and comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting.
First Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how to make a super adorable homegrown summer strawberries sign. So from the Dollar Tree, I have one of these cute little calendars, and then I have one of their just blank canvases. I'm taking some Mod Podge, and I'm going to Mod Podge the calendar print out to the front of the white canvas. Now they're carrying larger canvases at Dollar Tree, which is super amazing if you want to play around with some art or make some fun little signs like this, or if you have kiddos or grandkids at home this summer. So fun to just grab some paint and let them paint away. I always did that with my kiddos. So now I'm going to make a quick little fun bow to top it off. I'm using this beautiful black and white houndstooth ribbon. I just folded it over on itself, pinched it in the center, and tied a little knot off with some burlap. Hot glued it off to the side, and then I'm going to take a little kind of, this is like the edging piece, so it's just like a little extra piece, and I'm simply kind of ruching the ribbon with my fingers and gluing and then ruching a little bit more to kind of give it like a cascade, effect going across the top of this to kind of frame it out and just make it this fun little homegrown strawberry sign. The other thing about using these white canvases is it's already painted white and you cannot really see the calendar backing on the other side when you Mod Podge it. Now I just Mod Podged a thin layer, and then I didn't put any over the top because I didn't want it to be like too much. I also used a paper towel to kind of smooth out any little ruffles that were in the Mod Podge. And then I'm going to add one more little piece of a ribbon here, kind of cascading down the side. And I did dovetail my ribbon ends, so that just means you cut a little triangle in the ends of your ribbon, and that's going to give it a nice pretty finish. And there you guys have that, a cute little homegrown strawberry sign. I did go back in with a little bit of a red check ribbon just to give it a bit of flair. And really, honestly, you guys can choose any theme with any calendar sign, an easy little canvas, some cute ribbon, and you have a really nice little boutique sign on a total budget. Now listen, I love to change out my fun seasonal decor, so for me this is something that's just really, really fun to do. So there you guys have that, a fun little easy sign on a budget, and I hope you guys are inspired to create some fun summer decor in your home. For this next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to share with you all how to jazz up one of these little cute Dollar Tree tea towels. So I chose this Family is Everything tea towel, and this is a fun way to jazz up a tea towel and add it to like a little gift, or just set it out for decor on a pretty cake stand and add some foam muffins to it. But I'm just going to tie this ribbon in a shoelace bow. Now this was ribbon that I found at Hobby Lobby during the Christmas time, but they may still have a really cute gingham ribbon there as well. You guys can always check their ribbon section and always look for their 40% off when they run that on some of their different sections weekly. They do weekly sales on the ribbon sections. So I'm taking some hot glue and I'm gently hot gluing the ribbon to the top of my tea towel, and once that is secure, I'm going to ruche the ends of the ribbon pieces to kind of make it, cascade down and frame out my little tea towel. These are also fun to do for bathrooms. Obviously, it's more of a decor piece, and you want to kind of, the way that I do this, if I make a decorative towel, is I'll make the decorative towel and then I'll put a real tea towel underneath next to it if it's hanging from the stove, or underneath it if it's in my guest bathroom. That way your guest doesn't feel uncomfortable using your pretty towel, but it does look really cute for decoration. It makes it feel really festive. And if you want to get a little bit more customized, you can even run a strip of ribbon at the bottom of your little towel. And again, this gives you just a boutique specialty decor idea, and you're using it with a Dollar Tree tea towel, because they always have really cute like little seasonal decor tea towels. And I think it's just so fun to add a bright pop of fun to your decor. It gives everybody something to look forward to and just makes everything feel really homey. Now I'm just gently gluing the little ribbon underneath the tea towel and then wrapping it around the base of the top. And then there you guys have that. Boom. So fun and fabulous on a total budget. And again, check the Dollar Tree seasonal decor section and also their kitchen section. And that's really where you're going to find a lot of their cute and adorable tea towels. And this is one of my favorites, the Family is Everything one. I also did add a cute little kind of burlappy bow. It's actually not burlap, it's the jute twine. Gosh, it slipped my mind what I was trying to find. Doesn't that happen to you guys when you get older? Things just seem to slip your mind. So I love y'all, and I hope you're inspired to do something fun and creative for your summer. For this next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to take one of these wooden cutout stars, and I'm going to use this edging just level, and I'm going to draw stripes on the star. And basically what I want to do is create a McKenzie child inspired little red and white star. And I want to do red and white. I decided because even though McKenzie Child's creations don't have a red and white idea on their website, I thought we could use this for 4th of July, summer, strawberry fun, and then also we can take this and use this in our Christmas decor. I know I like to try to start thinking about a little bit of fall and Christmas, even though I know it's super early. Don't throw things at me. Don't throw any tinsel or ornaments at me. But when we're crafting and decorating during the holidays, I don't know if you guys are like me, but I get completely behind. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking some white or some red paint and white paint, and the McKenzie Child style is hand painted. So they have artists that actually hand paint all of their work, and they like to drag a little bit of paint through the white parts of it. So I did that with this one. And then I'm going to add a cute bow to the top because you guys know me. I love my bows and I cannot lie. So I had this cute striped ribbon, and my idea for this was as well is to make it feel kind of summer fun. And then if I do want to reuse this in Christmas, then I may just go ahead and change this ribbon out and add something more for holiday. But I am doing it somewhat neutral and then red and white check. And these would also be a really fun gift idea that you guys could start on even now during the summer. I don't know if you guys are like us, but we get really hot weather in the summer, and I'm telling you, it's a great time to catch up on some of your crafting if you have time. I know not everybody has the time to craft during summer, but sometimes my daughter and I like to turn the AC down, make it feel kind of chilly, and then do some Christmas in July crafting. But anyway, I'm adding a little red ribbon to the center part of this, and then I also added some greenery. I topped it on top of this cute little faux enamel kind of tray. I believe I got this at Hobby Lobby last season. I think they still have them, but these are fun to load up with goodies and make like a little coffee bar tray. And again, another fun little easy idea on a budget. For for this next Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to take one of these cute little cutouts, and this one says, "I'm rooting for you." This one's really cute, and it would be fun to do with kiddos or grandkids, but I want to make it look a little bit more kind of like a Mother's Day craft, I guess, or something that's not quite so juvenile like us, something I could give my mom or that the kids could make for their moms. Anyway, I decided to paint mine white because I have a lot of white decor, and then I just used a little red paint to make my hearts with. But my idea for this is to take and put like a cute little clothespin in the center, and then you can change out photos. I love doing that. I have my calendar is set up like that, and then I like to pin little notes that the kids write for me on top of that, or pictures or whatnot. Now I'm just going to take some green paint, and I'm going to add some green paint to kind of make it look like it's like a little cute blooming plant. I love this really soft green. I got it at Walmart. It's in the apple barrel paint. I'll have to look at it and see what exact color it is, but it's such a pretty little color, especially for like a springy summer cottage vibe. And I did have to use 2 coats of the white chalk paint to get this to completely cover. You can still kind of see through some of it in this frame. And then I'm just outlining a little bit of detail with my paintbrush to kind of make it look like the plants had like some veins or leaves. Now, I'm going to tell you guys something I love about painting. I really feel like it's really relaxing and soothing. So I encourage you all to grab some inexpensive acrylic paint at Walmart, and then some of these little Dollar Tree signs from the Crafters Square section. Don't be intimidated by painting things hand painted. I know I can be, but I'm going to tell you guys something that's my secret. I always think to myself, well, it was only $1 and change, and if I mess it up, I can try to paint over it, and then if I, love it, then I have something really cute. But I added one of my daughter and her cousin's little pictures to the bottom of it, and then we have just this super adorable little fun, easy decor idea on a budget. And honestly, now that I'm looking at it, it almost looks like it's a cupcake. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. And speaking of cupcakes, that's going to be the secret question for today's video. What is your favorite flavor of cupcake or cake? I guess for that matter, if you don't like cupcakes. Anyway, I love y'all so much. I will insert a clip of Benji Bear too in just a sec as well for you guys.
So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafting and decorating adventure. It's a true blessing and honor to have you all here. Welcome if you're new. I'm Olivia with Livy's Romantic Home. I'm a DIY crafty mama, and I love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that you don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home and life in general. So thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below. I'm hosting 4 $25 Hobby Lobby gift card giveaways. Sorry about the barking. That's my little puppy dog, Benji Bear. He sees something out the window. So anyway, but listen, also follow me on my Livy's Romantic Home Facebook page. I have a free little group page that you guys can post your home decor and DIY projects on. I'm looking forward to this summer with so much joy, even though there's a lot going on in my life and some really heavy things going on in my life. I want to encourage you guys, if you have something heavy going on or if you have a lot going on, try to take your time to care for yourself, open up that Bible, open up some prayer cards, do your best to just hang in there, because every day we're given is a gift. It's God's way of saying we have one more day to share some love, to share a smile, to share some hope, and to keep that emotional control so we can be a blessing to others. So I love all of you all to the moon and back. I'm thankful for all of my long-term subscribers and watchers and followers. You guys are why I'm here, so keep watching my videos, everybody, sharing them and loving on me. And I'm gonna keep loving on you guys and keep making fun, creative content. So I love y'all to the moon and back, and until our next video, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. And we'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.